So what Bootstrap is telling, array developer, if you want to create a alert box, or if you want to create a alerter, not alert box, alerter, we need to take alert class. What class we need to take? Alert class. So only alert class is enough? No, alert class is not enough. First, we will go to the what here? Sublime. I'm going to the Sublime. So what I'm going to do, let me remove everything from the body. Now, this is common for Bootstrap. So now inside the body only we will do the coding, sir. So inside the body, I'm writing first container, because we know very well everything we should write in a container, and from margin top, I'm giving 5 spacer because I need some space from the top. So what I want to give you here, I want to give you the what here? Alert box. Alert I want to give. So what we can do, diff class, I'm giving like what here? Alert. Alert. So here I will say what here? Strong. Strong I am telling. I am telling warning. Warning. I'm telling. Please focus in class for you people. So now let's see, right click when I'm going to the browser. So do you think that is it looking like a alert? No. One warning is coming, please focus in class is coming. So what I'm going to give you today, along with this, we need to take contextual class. For example, I'm taking alert. What I'm taking? Warning. So alert is one class. We have another class, warning, that is called contextual class. Save this, and now you can see refresh. There is a one alert is coming. Warning, please focus in what? Class. So like that we can take, sir. Okay, sir, we got an idea. We understood about our first one. No, sir, I'm not happy with the first one. So no worries, we can go to the second one. I'm taking one more alert. But this time I will say not warning, I will go for what? Danger. Danger. So here also I will take what here? Alert, danger. I will say what here? Don't, okay, lose your hope. I'm just telling like this, danger, refresh. So don't lose your hope. I'm just mentioning like this because it's a danger. Anything is possible. You can give any message. No, sir, I don't need a danger. I need what here? Info. So info is nothing but what here? Bootstrap, or I can say React is going to start next week. That is info. Refresh. Understood my point here? So next is what here? Even we can go for one more alert. That is known as what here? Success. So let me say, good. Project done successfully. Something like that message I am writing. So see this? This is known as what here? Success. So like this, we can display the what here? Alerts, whatever the alerts you want. Understood my point here now? So Bootstrap is giving you to work with what here? Alerts. So we need to take alert class. Along with alert class, we need to take contextual class. So with the help of that contextual class, only alert will look properly. Okay, sir, we got an idea. I understood the first example of Bootstrap alerts. I understood the first example easily. Now what next? I will go to the second example. Sir, whenever I'm writing this example here, let me remove all of them. I want to keep only just warning. Warning I kept. So see this warning, please focus in what class. But tell me, this alert is visible or not visible? Visible. If you want to hide this alert, nothing we need to do. Here we need to take in the Bootstrap collapse. What class we have? Collapse. And see the specialty, whenever we write collapse, refresh. Can you see that one? No, you can't see that one. That is called what? Collapse. So don't ask me tomorrow how to hide something in Bootstrap. If you want to hide something in Bootstrap, declare which class? Collapse. It will not visible. Yes. So I hope you people got an idea. We can display different alerts. So one more thing is there here. I will go to the documentation, because I told you documentation means it is having very good documentation. Suppose I will go to the documentation, get bootstrap.com, go to the what? Docs. So here I will go for what? Alerts. So come down, sir, come down. So I want to show you one thing it is, which I think it is not there in this. Don't worry, I will show you. Not this one. Not this one. 1 second, guys. If something is there, definitely I will show you. If it's not there, I will not show you. Yes. Yes. We have this. So see this. Assume that I created one. I'm removing this collapser. I'm removing this collapse. So definitely that alert is visible to us. But what is my next requirement is, I need this cross mark here, cross mark. I need this cross mark. Sorry. Which mark we are taking? Cross mark. And whenever I click on that cross mark, then alert box should be dismissed. Dismiss means it should not be visible to us. Understood my step now? So tell me what I need first. Cross mark. This cross mark is nothing but it is a button only. It is one type of button. So see here, what Bootstrap is telling. Bootstrap is telling if you need button, take one name here. What is that one? Button. And what's the name of the button, guys? Class button close. So immediately what I will do, please focus in class. I will write this. Below what I'm using? Button. Closing of button. Class, I will say button close. So see this, what happen if I'm writing this button? So automatically you can go and see, refresh, cross button came, button close came. But where it is coming? Left side. But what I told, where I want? Right side I want, na sir. But it is coming left side. I need to align the properly this button. Align means we need to keep in a proper place. So now what Bootstrap is telling you, you can see here. What is there here? Alert dismissible. What is there here? Alert dismissible. So what is this? I will show you. So let me take alert dismissible. So here I want to take here. Safe. I kept alert dismissible. Safe. And see this, refresh. Understood na? What is the purpose of using alert dismissible? It will keep your button to the which side? Right side. Now what we need to do, whenever I click, see this, click, is it going up? But it has to go, na sir. So that's why we need to take one more attribute in the Bootstrap. That is known as what? Data Bootstrap dismiss alert. So here only I need to take for what? Here button. What we need to use? Data Bootstrap dismiss alert. You dismiss the alert. BS means Bootstrap. Save. Refresh. Click. Gone. Understood my point here now? So what is the difference between Bootstrap 4 and Bootstrap 5? You know, Bootstrap 4 having only data dismiss. But Bootstrap 5 came with what? Data Bootstrap dismiss, BS dismiss. So that point we should remember. So I hope you people got an idea how we are working with what here? Alert box. So alert box you can do closing also if you want. Like this you can do the closing. Understood everybody? Online people also got an idea.
Yes, sir.
We are working with what here? Example 3. Example 3 is this one.